Welcome back, dear viewers. Today, we are delving deep into the world of heart health and learning about the 7 essential heart-healthy foods that can help us achieve a stronger cardiovascular system. Our hearts work tirelessly to keep us going, so it's crucial that we take good care of them. I'm excited to share this valuable information with you. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content. Now, let's dive right in. 1. Berries, nature's little heart boosters. Our first heart-healthy food group is berries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants, such as flavonoids, which can help reduce inflammation and protect our blood vessels. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, to name a few, are not only delicious but also fantastic for our heart health. Let's explore some creative ways to incorporate these nutritious gems into our daily diet. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3 rich goodness. Next on the list is fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, and trout. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower triglycerides, reduce blood pressure, and decrease the risk of irregular heartbeats. We'll discover some mouth-watering fish recipes that will leave your taste buds in your heart thanking you. 3. Leafy greens, a heart's best friend. Now, let's talk about leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary nitrates, which have been associated with improved blood pressure and overall heart health. Get ready for some delectable salad ideas that will make you fall in love with greens. 4. Nuts and seeds, small but mighty. In this segment, we'll discuss nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flaxseeds. These little wonders are packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients. We'll explore some nutty and seedy recipes that will keep your heart and taste buds satisfied. 5. Whole grains, fueling the heart right. Next up, whole grains. Foods like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals that support heart health. We'll uncover some wholesome grain-based recipes that will keep you energized and nourish your heart. 6. Tomatoes, the heart's red saviors. Tomatoes are more than just a tasty addition to our meals, they contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its heart protective properties. In this segment, we'll learn some clever ways to include tomatoes in our diet and reap the benefits they offer. 7. Dark chocolate, indulgence with heart benefits, saving the best for last. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Dark chocolate, in moderation, is not only a delightful treat but can also promote heart health. We'll uncover the secrets behind its heart-loving compounds and savor some scrumptious chocolatey treats. And there you have it, the 7 essential heart-healthy foods to strengthen your cardiovascular system. Remember, a heart-healthy diet, along with regular exercise and other healthy habits, can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and valuable content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of your heart and stay healthy.